Welcome, Chisholm Trail 61. You know, sometimes you just want something easy for dessert. You don't feel like cooking anything. You don't feel like heating the oven up to bake a pie or anything like that. Well, today I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to fix a good tasting dessert. It's only 3 ingredients and it's a Kool-Aid pie. I'm going to show you how to do that coming up right now. Okay, the 3 ingredients we're going to need: sweetened condensed milk. Be sure it's the sweetened condensed milk now, not evaporated milk. Sweetened condensed milk, 1/8 ounce tub of Cool Whip, and a pack of Kool-Aid. You can use any flavor Kool-Aid you want. I'm going to be using cherry today. What we're going to do, we're just going to dump our sweetened condensed milk over in the bowl here. I'm going to get all of it out. This is about an 8-ounce can or something like that, just a regular can of sweetened condensed milk. You can see it's thick. And then we're going to open up our Kool-Aid. We're going to dump our Kool-Aid in the sweetened condensed milk there. Like I said, I'm using cherry. You can use any flavor you want to. We're just going to stir sweetened condensed milk in with our cherry flavoring, our cherry Kool-Aid. And you can see how it's turning red there. We just want to get it mixed up really well. See how red it's getting there. Once you get it mixed in real well, you want to open up your Cool Whip. And we're just going to put our whole thing of Cool Whip over into our mixture there. Of course, you want your Cool Whip good and cold. You don't want it thawed out, because you want it to stay puffy like. You don't want it frozen. I just thawed this out, so this is still really, really cold. And then what you want to do, we're just going to sort of fold our mixture over into our Cool Whip. You don't want to beat it with a mixer or whatever, because your Cool Whip will flatten out on you. So you want to just sort of fold it over until you get all the white stripes and marks out of the Cool Whip. And it don't hurt if you have a few of them left in there, but you get it all out, and then it just leaves your pie that color. And this is a good recipe where you can let kids help you or anything, because it's no bake. You don't have to get around a hot oven or a hot stove. There's nothing for kids to get hurt on or anything like that. And what you want to do, like I said, just fold until you get all your Cool Whip mixed up good, till you get all the stripes out. You'll see it start taking color there, and the stripes coming out of it. It takes a minute, to get all of them, all the white coated there with the mixture of whatever flavor Kool-Aid and sweetened condensed milk you're using. But just keep working at it, and it'll come together. It'll all get one color. You can see how it's starting to get less and less white every time we fold it over. It gets less and less white on it. So you want to just keep a folding. Just keep a folding and scrape your sides, and just keep a folding over. I'm turning my bowl a little bit, just to get a different perspective on it each time that I turn. See, there's a pretty good spot of white there in the middle that I drug up that time. That's why I'm turning my bowl around, to make sure that I get all my white spots out. And like I said, if you don't get all of them, it's really doesn't make a difference. It just, if you want it to look uniform, then you do it till you get it all the white spots out of it. It just takes a little bit, all. But it's well worth it, believe me. It's well worth you taking a minute or two there It's quick. It's easy. Like I said, anytime you can have a pie that you don't have to put in the oven or bake, and just can fix off of a pack of Kool-Aid and a thing of Cool Whip and a can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, then you're doing good. I'm gonna rake all that down off the side because I want to be sure that I get all my filling there. And then I'm gonna turn it some more. This is probably one of the cheapest pies that you can make. Cheapest dessert you can make. Because what a pack of Kool-Aid costs now, you used to get them 10 for $1. I think you probably pay $1 for about 4 of them now. So 25 cents a bag or pack or something like that. Condensed milk, if you watch your sales, you can get condensed milk for about $1 now, I can. And then your Cool Whip, you can use whatever brand, you can use store brand Cool Whip, whatever you want. You can catch it on sale, 88 cents to $1. All you want to do is just take your pre-made, one of the store-bought crusts there. Keep your top, because top's what actually makes a cover for your pie. You don't want to throw that away. And we're just gonna rake all of our stuff over into the pie crust there. See how that all turned to that cherry flavor? Well, it looks good enough to eat right now. And what you got to do once you get this made is you need to let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours and firm up. And so, well, like I said, it takes a minute to get it all ready, but it is well worth it. It's cheap. It's easy. Like I said, if you got kids at home, it's a good thing, a recipe that you can let your kids make with you. Have a lot of fun doing. When you get that done, you just want to sort of spread it around. Spread it around, spread it out in your pie plate, in your pie crust there. Get it spread pretty even all the way around. And if you want to, you can actually save some of your Cool Whip to put on the top. I just used all my Cool Whip for filling. But if you want to save about a half of a cup or some whatever to dollop on the top, or you can decorate it up with that like that. But get that and just put your top back on there. Fold it down. And then put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. And you have your good pie now. And we're going to let this one set. It's sort of late, so we may or may not cut this one tonight. But if not, we'll bring you back when we do take it out of the refrigerator tomorrow. And we'll cut into it and taste it. And we'll show you what it is in. If you will, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it. And we'll be back whenever this comes out of the refrigerator with a taste test. Okay. We're so excited wanting to taste this thing till we give it a couple hours. We stayed up so that we could taste it. Cut a piece here. I'm going to dip it out, and we're going to taste this thing. You can see how it's set up good. It sets up good like a regular pie. No problem there. Let's just get us a taste of it. That's a good pie. Like I said, it's cheap. Don't cost much to fix. You can see how it sets up. It sets up just like a regular pie. A few minutes to fix it. Set it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Let it set good. Take it out. It's a good sweet pie. Now I used the cherry Kool-Aid. Like I said, you can use any flavor Kool-Aid you want. There's probably 100 different flavors, maybe more of Kool-Aid. Just pick out your favorite. Fix you a pie. Sit back and enjoy it. If you would, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all those of you who take time out of your day to watch our videos. We'll see you on the next one.